Hi everyone. Oh my god, I just woke up, so I'm a bit oily. It's around 8 something. I woke up at 7 something just now. What is I Malay? Yeah, I am Malay. I usually eat around 8:30 to 9, but I'm fasting right now. So yeah. Oh, and today's public holiday, which is actually good because tomorrow's my birthday. Except that I'll be having 2 meetings today, and I kinda have to settle a lot of assignments. So stay tuned. Guys, it's raining outside.
Going through it. It's just been really hard.
Tapi bernama aku rasa aku cari nulak
Yeah,
sing sakai ng siya ng bilit nyaman je. Bayan ni tayo si bagus kerja.
besar je.
Si. Ya. Oh. Si dapinya bersih dia kerja tangga. Aku tak beli nak beli klinik kulit tertutup. Baliklah. Adalah aku dah ya. Habis aku dah licin mah ibu tanya.
Hi everyone. I think it's only the 4 of us because as thank you. Bye. I don't like how I look. I have a meeting at 5 and now it's 5. Now I had a very, very, very long nap, I guess. So I'll be starting the meeting.
I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
For real? No wonder like your link is like TikTok. Okay, I'm actually confused right now because this is explanation on DMP about your problem, right? And then the next one is the same too, except it's in haha. Okay, alright. I'm like using my mom's phone. Look at what time it is right now. Okay, so it's 12. Okay, so Ayman's first, Asri's second. Wait. Oh my god, her birthday too. Semoga panjang umur dan rezeki. May you always be in Allah's protection. Good. Wait. You said not to read. But I already... Ish. Okay, this is my best friend, Cha. Oh. Oh my god, I'm so emotional. Hey. I haven't showered yet, and I'm waiting for this person, if you can see. Kenapa dia terang sangat? Aku nak buka perlahan-lahan sebab aku nervous. Mana nak buka ni?
Nama tunggu pasal tu.
Apa? Weh. Aku dah tengok tu. Weh, sumpah macam dalam mimpi aku. Tapi aku mimpi warna pink lah. Weh. Ni apa? Tak tahu. Wish. Thank you. Macam aku rasa macam perempuan sekarang.
Kau kan nak beli lah benda ni. Aku macam alah bodoh je perempuan ni tak beli.
Lepas tu? Yeah, I was like craving for sweets. And like, okay. Read the letter. This is actually so cute. Happy birthday, Puka. Honestly, I have no idea on how to start this. I rarely send long birthday wishes to my friends, if you notice. I just want you to know that I am so grateful for your presence in my life. Thank you for being such a good friend, sister to me. I still remember back when we were in Form 1, before we knew each other. Form 1? Oh my god! So, oh my god, dah boleh kahwin. Thank you now. Ish. Okay. I want to eat this. Okay, so it's 1:27. While I was praying, suddenly the parcel came. And let's open it. I don't know who it's from though, like... Let's just open it. Oh my god, I have I have this, what do you call this? necklace. I don't know what this. Yeah, this is a necklace. I had this necklace tapi dah rosak. Wait, who is it from? Dear Fika, thank you first. Is that another person? Happy birthday. I hope you will like this gift and I miss talking to you in person. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Huh? Another parcel. Okay, I know for sure. This is from Filza, maybe. I think so. Let's open this up. It says mommy. I don't know. Wait, terbalik kah? Ah, yalah. Oh my god, the smell. Ya Allah, thank you. Thank you so much. Masa tadi yang message kami lagi, Afika. Ni panjang dia. Selamat Hari Tua. Lain orang.
Ni Abah. Mama ni Abah. Ya dah.
Rachel. Rachel. Dah. Congratulations, you survived the teens. Now it's time to thrive in your 20s. And we hopefully your life is will follow to other. Thank you, Rachel. Nyaman.
Itu 23 tahun umurnya.
Hi. What's your name?
Faizin.
Faizin. How old are you? Faizin. How old are you?
Tidak minyak banyak kakak.
What's your name?
Nana.
Kasihkan jatuhnya siapa? Mimi. Masalah.
Ya salah.
Makan itu. Được gitu kan.
Tadi lah.
Ai mang. Saya sedih dong. Kukus rumah tu. Nyaman kukus. Goreng senyaman dong. Kukus nyaman. Kelak lah mola. Nak ngantar dong gila. Ada tidak nak? Hai. Ola mia. Itu kan?
Iya, ya.
Itu kan? Happy birthday to Rita.
Allah selamatkan kamu. Allah selamatkan Usufika. Ayan, ini kan ini. Kaya mo ni? Ano ni?
Not. Not.
Look at all these. And we're gonna complete orders. It's so cute. Okay, so today is I look weird, the 3rd of February, and I received a parcel from a friend, and actually I have like probably 3 more parcels to receive. But yeah, let's open. It's from Wawa. I can feel what it is, but I don't know how it looks like. Wait, what is this? No, sumpah lah. Sumpah lah. Sumpah lah. Ya Allah, serius lah. Thank you. I have a black one. Now I have a green one. So many. Actually, no, this is so pretty. Another day, another parcel. Okay, so I know who this is from. So let's just open it. Janganlah, malu lah. Dia vlog baca. Happy birthday, sweet Afika. May you always be blessed with happiness and success. Welcome to the 20 world. Keep on. We'll always be here to support you. Thank you, Azlisha. This is so cute. Nampak dulu je macam nangis. Ya Allah, Ma. Banyak juga. Banyak juga. Thank you. Dah lah. Bukan indie tak. She told me that she has indie, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you, Azisha. Should I try it now? Wait, mau ambil gambar. Thank you.
Begini bukanya lah. Kaca tu.
Kaca kan, mau nangis. Lipstick, so we will have to see what shade it is in. It's Ice Kepal focus. I mean, I'm using my phone, so it's not autofocus. Biarlah. Dia kena lah susah gila buka tu. Ya Allah. Oh. Ya Allah, kacanya. Kaca dulu, seriously. Sekejap, Must watch, okay? Ah, apa tu? Ohnya lip tint ke? Sorry, Lesi pernah beli. Boleh sih mak pakai je. Can I just use it although I'm wearing lipstick? You kacak lah. It's like dark and it's so mean. Thank you. My skin is like so bad right now, so I don't really have the confidence. I mean, I don't have the mood, but like I'm wearing rock. It's so pretty. Dah lah, so pretty. Like my skin has been breaking out because I have got so many assignments, and here I am